How to find your Chrome extensions. So guys, in this video today we're going to learn about how you can find your installed Chrome extension, or how you can find out a new extension, and how you can show your extension on your Chrome option or tab. So in this so let's start with the video, guys. So let me go in my Chrome. So this is my Chrome browser, guys. So first I'll show you how where you can find the new extension. So just go to the Google and search here Chrome web store. Okay, so there is a web store of Google Chrome, and you can find out all extension on web store. Just right click and open it. So you can see the web store will be open here, and here you can find your all extensions. So let it load first. Okay, so you can see you have to log in with your email ID, and here you can search the extension. If I search like translator, if I search translator, so you can see all translator extension or plugins will show here. You can see, yeah, you can see there is a lot of translator extension here. So just need to click on it, any extension which you want, and just click on add to Chrome. Then just add extension, then one file will be downloaded to your computer, and it will be add to here. So my extension has been installed. Here you can see remove from it show that remove from Chrome means my extension already has been installed. So where you can find your install it or available extension. So just open your Chrome tab, and here you can see this is the icon of extension. You can see the right side, the pop-up shows this is extension. Just click on it, and here you can see the all installed extension list. Okay, so I have only one extension here. So if you want to show to the your menu bar, you have to just pin it. Just click on pin, then the extension will be pinned here. Now you can easily operate by just clicking on icon. So you can also remove the extension. Just click on again this icon, select the extension, and just click on three dot here, and you can remove from here. Okay, and go to the manage extension, and here you can see the all your extension which you have installed. Okay, so you can you can also remove from here. You can activate deactivate your extension if you want, and you can just remove it from here. Okay, so if I want to remove, I can just click on remove, it will be removed. So here you can find and install the extension. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.